के बारे में जो भी बोलूं कम होगा. जो अपने यहाँ इंडिया से अब्रॉड जाता है वो अमेरिका में उधर ही सेटल हो जाता है. बट ही इज द एक्सेप्शनल मैन. ही केम बैक टू इंडिया and he settled down here and he created a enriched family. I congratulate Kapil to you writing such good book. This is the book will be very useful to everybody.
He has continued the legacy of his father.
Back from the US, with a skip and a spark, Kapil Jain set out to leave his mark.
He's a really complete man. It's all about his leadership qualities.
Kapil has never treated us like a client, for which I am very grateful.
So thank you, Kapil, to make us live in this complex market or the situation of this world.
I believe that this particular book will have years of or decades of experience and everybody will be benefited.
I know this is an awesome milestone of life. Writing a book and launching it is no small deal. So absolute congratulations.
Congratulations, Kapil. In almost 12 years now, Amit Kapil.
I'm happy that you are helping the middle class family to participate in the India's growth story. So congratulations.
Thank you.
The most important is that you are trustworthy and the money is safe in your hand.
I think since our association, you have transformed my outlook towards financial goals and financial planning.
And I think his pearls of wisdom will be available to all of you through this book.
He should also write a biography because his journey has been like a Sensex journey over the last 20-25 years.
So, Kapil has been a guiding force in our journey.
I'm sure from his book I'll learn lots of things.
That Kapil Jain has been torchbearer of my financial planning and the stability he has given me.
I've seen the journey and great journey and many more successes to come and many more books to come.
Thank you.
He will make sure that you are remain disciplined.
The way he trained his staff is simply remarkable.
तो आपके जीवन में एक ऐसा मनुष्य चाहिए जो आपकी अच्छी चीज़ों को तो बाहर लाए और सारी बुरी चीज़ों को दूर कर दे. ऐसा मेरा मित्र
Thank you so much. It means a lot.
I wish him and the Enrich West family best wishes to grow further.
Thank you, Devan sir.
I can definitely say that my investments are in most safe hands.
Thank you so much.
So really, it is very awesome journey, and I wish Enrich Wise and Kapil Jain in person. So let them grow leap and bound.
Congratulations on the book and congratulations on everything that you are doing.
He is a great supporter of all these welfare events.
Inheriting a legacy from your father is one thing, but legacy along with values is something else. And I think you have inherited the values.
And what you are doing is helping people very credibly grow well.
I think he deserves a standing ovation.